Hii lazima nitoe machine. I'm so confused right now.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia!
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Hii lazima nitoe machine. I'm so confused right now. This is so crazy. Wow. Wow. Man, I'm so confused. I've never seen this in my life. Like, literally over 300 girls just in a park like this, waiting. I'm so confused. Cartagena has blown my mind, man. I thought I've seen it all, but Cartagena has blown my mind. I'm telling you. Hii ni hatari. For the first time I'm seeing this. Actually, don't care. Okay, I can actually film. This is so crazy. This is so crazy. I think I've never seen this. I've never seen this in my life, man. Literally over 300 girls in a park. I've never seen this. For me, it's like, wow. You know? And sure, give the video a like, man. Subscribe in this YouTube channel. More videos coming, man, from Cartagena, Colombia. But this has blown my mind, like boom. Oh man, everywhere, look, everywhere, everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere, look. Everywhere. I learned my first video here. Please, man, ensure give it a like, subscribe. More videos coming from Cartagena, Colombia. This is crazy, man. Crazy. I've never seen this in my life. Yeah, Cartagena has blown my mind.
All I need is you, baby, baby.